Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Every day IPSY comes up with a deal. I usually just look at it and I don't see anything that really intrigues me. There is one that I couldn't resist and it is the Easy Smokey Eye. The retail value of this set is $97 and I only paid $14 for it. So let's see if it's exactly what it says it is. I've had a few of you ask me to do magnetic eyelash tutorial and I had done a mock one myself a few months ago and it really didn't come out that well, but I think I may have been doing it wrong. So I watched a tutorial to show me how to actually do it. And today I'm going to show you how I do it and hopefully it won't be a mishap. But I'm also gonna do a smoky eye a la 1990s. Since the 90s are coming back in style, I might as well show you what we used to do back then. It literally sent me one eyeshadow, so I'm assuming that we're gonna just go old school. All right, so it comes with the GLAMNETIC verified lashes. I think it's like a metallic eyeliner, and then there are magnets on these lashes and then they latch onto the eyeliner. And I don't know if this is a liquid one or a felt one, we'll see. And then they sent me another eyeliner from realher. I don't know, I think it's is it a liquid eyeliner or is it regular? Let's see. Oh, it's one of these doodads. And then City Limits ibybeauty. ibybeauty. And this is a dark color. Look how cute that is. It's so tiny. Yes, it's like a mocha. It's pretty. All right. And then this is what I really wanted, a mini fan. You know, when you put on your like makeup and you have like your eyeliner and you want it to dry faster, I have an actual fan that I use. Just kind of silly, but obviously I'm not silly because it's a thing. Oh, let's see here. I guess I have to charge the battery first. Nah, I have to charge it first. Let me charge it really quick. It's called a Lollipop Handheld Fan. Oh, okay, so you can click it one time for medium wind, 2 times for maximum wind. Oh, there's lights that are attached to it. Well, we'll look at that in a minute. First things first, I already have a primer on my eyes, and like I said, we're gonna do this a la 90s style. And back in the 90s, we would just take one color and just like put it on our lids and then smoke it out. We would take like one of these little brushes. Now, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but this is how I did it. So what I'll do is just press that on there. Oh, this is a pretty color. I think I had a color similar to this back then. Sometimes I would do like a dark blue or even black just to be really mysterious and kind of like edgy, you know? I mean, it's probably not like the best thing just to stop right there when you have hooded eyes. So I would just always go out a little bit more and then I would go underneath. You know, they had that whole heroin chic look for a while there. I don't know what's chic about that, but it was a look. And then I would smoke it out. So I would just start rubbing, moving the brush back and forth and just making it smoky. And I know it's just 2 colors because I would do like a lighter color on top, but right now I'm just using one just to see how it looks, and it's pretty. And it was very easy to apply. So that's a simple smoky eye look for the 90s. Now I'm gonna do the other eyes so I don't leave this one out. She might get lonely. And I would just probably put way too much makeup on my eyelids, but that's how I did it. But this is going on very nicely. You ever have a song stuck in your head? They say that if you have a song stuck in your head, you should play the song and then sing the entire song so that you can get it out of your head. But I don't think I can do that here because it would be like a copyright law. But I definitely have a song stuck in my head. I think that looks mighty pretty. So next thing we're gonna do, would I do the eyeliner first? Well, I guess the funny thing is, this is my question, is there's an eyeliner here and then there's an eyeliner here. Why would I need to use 2 different eyeliners? Maybe I should use this on the inner corners. No, not the inner corners, the outer corners. But that goes on very nice, actually. Now, I used to go really dramatic with my eyeliner, but I don't know if I want to do that anymore. I know, a lot of people think it's kind of scary to put like eyeliner on the inside of their lash line, but it doesn't really bother me that much unless I'm wearing contact lenses, and then I don't do it. All right, that's cool. Now, I used to make my makeup a little bit more dramatic than that. This is pretty subtle. I don't have the same I don't have the same face. I don't have that same kind of baby face anymore that I used to have way back then. So I don't have to like make it look harsher to make myself look more dramatic. I never wanted to come off as looking as I was nice or anything, so I try to make myself look scary. Okay, so the first thing you're supposed to do, I have it written down actually, is get the eyeliner out of here. I mean, look how cute that is. How it's like satiny look. So glamorous. They really spent a lot of money on the, oh, here we go, on the packaging. You know, nothing like a pair of scissors to get you through the day. Ooh, look at that. It's like a Barbie doll dog bed. If you're into Barbie, you could totally use that as your little Barbie dog bed. All right, I'm not getting this. Okay, so you have to shake it, which I didn't know because I didn't do that last time. I just like applied it and stuck them on and it didn't work. So shake, shake, shake. All right. This is definitely liquid liner. So the direction said to apply the eyeliner, and if it is a liquid eyeliner, to dry to 80%. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, I guess. This is like the kind of eyeliner that's like really hard to put on because this thing moves a lot. All right, let me see if that fan works. The fan isn't working yet, but I'm going to use an index card. Now, I don't know when 80% is supposed to be 80%, because if I touch it, it's probably gonna be all messy and come off. But let's pretend that it's at 80% now. So this is the right eyelash. So what you're supposed to do, oh, I see, is you're supposed to soften the lash band. So you're supposed to kind of move it around like this, which is another thing I didn't do last time. You know, there's something to be said about tutorials. They're really good for you. They actually teach you how to use a product. Now, I don't know how long you're supposed to do this for, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these on. So they're supposed to be easy to put on. Oh gosh, that doesn't feel, they're not sticking. Okay. Ew, that's not working. Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, let's do the other eye. It looks a little strange because it's like going like that. Maybe I need to put more eyeliner on. All right, so. Softening the lash band. Okay. This didn't quite work well. All right. I feel like a rejected Hollywood star. Honestly, like I think regular lashes are much easier to apply. Like, do you see how it's like getting weird looking? Like I can't seem to get it to stay. This is not working for me. I'm coming across the same problem as I did last time, is that they pull on my eyes very oddly. It's very bizarre. And I can't seem to like get it to stick to my eye. It keeps popping back. Okay, now it's so weird. I don't like them honestly as much as I like my regular lashes. You know what I will do though? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut them. Oh no, you can't. Oh, that's so annoying. Maybe my eyes aren't like the right size. Can you tell I'm having a hard time? So what it does is it still sticks straight out here and it's pulling on my eye very oddly. I don't think they're very comfortable. I really do prefer the regular lashes, but let me know in the comments below if you've tried the magnetic lashes or if you prefer the old-fashioned ones like I do, because these are not comfortable. They're like, nah. Just imagine like pulling on your lashes and not letting them go, and that's exactly what this feels like to me. It's like I feel like my eyes are being pulled in a different direction. I don't think that these magnetic lashes are the best for me, but I did like how the realher 24-hour eyeliner applied inside my eyes. It just went in really smoothly and it's not irritating me at all. And I do like this color. This was a pretty color. I really can't tell you about the fan because it's not charged yet, but you know, maybe one day I will let you know how well it did after it actually gets charged. So I'm assuming it's gonna stay there for a few hours before it starts working. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my next video comes up, and I will see you next time. Bye.